Hey everybody, it's Jay Jackson here with a new video. So guess what, guys? It's that time of the year again where we do the $5 Goodwill Challenge 2018. Yes. And here is my item. I wanted to show you guys what I got. Voila! Look at that. Look at that. I paid $3.70. It's a magazine rack. You guys can see price right there. I don't know if you can see it or not quite sure, but you see it has the fall iron embellishments here, wicker part down here at the bottom. I will probably change this so we're not, well, I'm not quite sure. I'm talking about we. What am I talking about? I don't know what I'm talking about. Hey, what are you talking about, Netta? Anyway, as I always say in a lot of my videos, anyway. This is what I ended up choosing from the Salvation Army. Right there. Very nice. And so anyway, magazine rack is what its purpose is for the most part. I seem to have been getting lots of those lately. And so I thought this would be a nice item to be using to have to hold in case all of my magazines. Anyway, I'm glad you guys joined me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I can't wait to see all the other people that are participating. This video is hosted by Hilary at formerly my so-called home, now my old world home. I'll probably have to change that, put it up in the top because I don't know why. Sometimes I forget the name. But it's by Hilary. Everybody knows Hilary. You know Old World Home is her channel. So I'll put a link in the description box of all the other participants that are going to be participating in this Goodwill Challenge. And I hope to see you guys later. Bye. Alright you guys, so also I want to tell you that it's almost my 1-year anniversary. This was like my first video about this time last year where I had the pumpkin video. I will link that video in the description and let you guys see the rest of this video. Alright people, as you can see, I decided not to use the magazine rack. Instead, I decided to plant some flowers in here. Of course, these aren't real flowers, but who cares? They look gorgeous. I love them, and I hope you do too. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.